Boom, my people, upon a blessed morning, yeah, we're back at it again because trust, if it's not forward from who, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that. You don't know my style already, people. One bag of one, I know one in them daily updates, yeah. I have some good things for one today, you know. And next pastor is calling out the dancehall pastor and saying that I she do Jay Capri wrong. You see me, I say? Mm-hmm. Also, Ivany, almost lost her life as a bandole taxi man pull out one of them things pan her, you feel me? But never touch the trigger, you side. Yanni Curvy Diva is doing big things as you can see on the screen. Shenseea is under fire again because she posted Jamaican dancers, yes. Batman, I gave it to them, but the people that miscalling her out on shady business, you feel me, people. Just hit the like button and share the video. I'm from now. It would be truly appreciated. Let's just get straight into the drama. You feel what I'm saying?
But you were so slack that they ban you from some fest. And I'm going to tell the people, Jay Capri, that is you, Obeah. Is you kill Jay Capri. Is you kill Jay Capri. Jay Capri was an artist that rising on speed rapid internationally. And you bewitch her. One accident and she died. One accident and Jay Capri died. Because you do not want nobody to pass you in the dancehall arena. You don't want nobody to pass you in the dancehall arena.
Why? Me don't know why people believe in them thing, yeah, you know. I bet on it just say, yo, somebody pay somebody to do something for the vehicle, you know. To make it malfunction and crash and all these things because I don't believe in a magic, you see me, I say people, and tricks are for kids. But you don't know how the thing set. It's because of Jay Capri's death while Lady Saw turned dancehall pastor, you see me, I say. Boy. People, I'm lost for words, man. But these prophets out here be going hard, you feel what I'm saying? But again, I was just giving that update that the prophet said, you know, Lady Saw did them things at the Jay Capri, you see me I say, which opened the gate for Spice and other dancehall artists, you see me I say. Like I said, I'm just a messenger, please do not crucify me. You know what I mean? Or listen, I won't get no more messages.
dead in the man.
You're loving you or go on you.
Dead, we nearly dead in the.
Bad man, you have people like me, I can't be for you. Hey, the man lit down the back. Brother, man lit down all the bike, man, the man in silver, my brother. You know how much care, man, me crash them. Lucky na you. People like in a car.
How much are we?
All the police are shoot off and different people in a bomb buckle at car. Yes, 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 Baba don't say, yeah. Baba don't say, yeah. Baba don't.
Boy. Me not take no bandul taxi or rascal. You see me, I say, cause even internet sensation Ivany said this man him go pull gun after her. You see me, I say. And she said she have the video of him face in her snap and she go report him, you see me? And then she is talking about that video you just seen and she has this to say about that ordeal. Boy, all kids was in the car, people putting in the comment section. If you don't know that, brother, yeah. I was sick him head, you see me, I said. She said I watched this video and cry, real tears running from my face just now. How you fit do that, monster? This man has nothing named heart. You are a monster. There's even a baby in the car. What if the car did turn over and what if somebody in the car had got shot? All you smart, how you think you would escape a police on that road then? You're nothing but a monster. That's the only words I can use to describe you, monster. He even hit down a man earlier. We don't know if that man dead or what. As the policeman said, look, the police officer behaving, you can tell him earth. I saw today Gio and I took a one-time taxi, and because the man vexed and we off halfway my destination, I told him I wasn't gonna pay him. You know what I mean? Well, the man look and draw a gun upon me after I could have even lose my life today. What if he had pulled the trigger? Father God, may I beg you, please take me out of Jamaica. From one night, may I have dreams that bagger man I come for kill me and body decompose. Every single night, me dream about that. I don't know why it haunts me so bad. Me want left this place. Me want leave Jamaica. Really, I get bad to worse. The people them can't even jump out cause that look like a upper golden spring. And if you jump a gully, you're gone. Father God, I better you take your land. Nothing hurts me more than this video. Why people putting out a comment section. Oh, that taxi brother, yeah, man. Trust me, man. I my people, them are move my ass clapping. You have trouble. Hey, low. Now, Unique Curvy Diva is doing her thing. You know what I mean? It was reported the other day that, a new man take where the Range Rover in my I give her if it drive out and take it back and give it to her next girl, But we'll deal with them mix up business on a different channel, But homegirl been doing her thing, she started this cooking business, this restaurant and ish. And now she look like she's into farming, you know what I mean? I don't know if she owns this land or she's in if she's partners with anybody that owns this land, but nevertheless, it's a good look. And she says, almost a year in the making, I quietly and slowly structured my new project. And now it's time to bring it to fruition. Get ready, you see me, I said, at the Dining with Curvy, that's her restaurant, from my farm to your table. Hashtag supermarket, restaurant, hotels, market, and export. This is the year of abundance for me. All I've planned, prayed, and worked for shall come to prosper. Hashtag more to come. Hashtag Farmer Curvy. Hashtag Restaurant Panera and Beer. Hashtag and all of these things. It's definitely a good look, I encourage every Don, every bad man that has an army of children that's out here killing people to invest in farming. That's where the money is at, And on already ahead of the game because on already have on the slaves them, the minions them for work to feel and protect it, you know what I'm saying? But this is definitely the way to go, This is definitely the way to go. So big up yourself, Ivany Curvy Diva. And I hope more is inspired to be like you. Yes, let's proceed. Now, dancehall pop star Queen Shenseea can't get a break no matter what she does. You feel what I'm saying? And you know, this is talk pertaining to the lick competition. A lot of Jamaicans were feeling a way that, you know, she wasn't posting their videos, especially one of her good friends, Batman, you know what I'm saying? But one of my followers sent this to me and said, "Good morning, King. So you were right. Shen is going to give the money to these people because she knows them. It says Team Jamaica, so that means they are the only people that represent Jamaica on her stage. She's going to let them win and take back the money from them." Let me just clarify things. Me never said I'm not take no money from nobody. You see me, I said that's what the streets is saying, you feel me? And we just here talking about what the streets is saying. If y'all want the official news, wanna go up on some journalist page, but this is what the sender is talking about. Because me not lie, people, it kinda look away, you know, for Shenseea for, you know, post a video of people that work for her. Or I should say, post a video that people that work for Big Meech. You see me, I said, cause we know, say, Batman think they disqualified, you know, of certain reasons that he's gonna say, so be bogus at the end of this, but the people are saying, oh, Shenseea for post Happy Feed, who obviously is Team Ramesh dancer, you see me, I say, and we know, say, that dancing one day and the back, we know says she or whatever, you feel me? So the people them feel away, you know, the people them is saying, yo, you ain't even post some regular people from Jamaica, you know what I mean? So that's why they're saying this looks suspect, you know. The streets is saying Happy Feet and Rebel them get paid for do that video, yeah, because if them win, them I forgot give the prize money up. You see me, I say I'm just a messenger, people. Please do not crucify me or else. And we won't get no more messages. No, enough of me talking. Let's listen to what Batman has to say about, you know, Shenseea posting Jamaicans, obviously, on her page now. You see me, I said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It'll be truly appreciated, bless.
Girl, listen to me, girl. It's just a discrimination, girl. Remember, she did send me the message and she tell me, say, Ramesh tell her and I post it. Send the boy money, hungry, no bumbo clock. And that, you know, come take it blood clot game. Come take it 150 game. Me hungry na blood clot. That's what say, oh, you want me to send it go give him a blood clot hungry. 1, 2, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 right here. 150. Yeah. Since as it hurt a so blood clot much, come take the 150 from my pocket and send it go give him. Yeah. Come take them and give him. One of my hungry, I feel like got money, you know, not a sense. I don't want to see that content again. Sure, I miss you, I miss. Saying it go bomber cat, give him a lie. A lie. Look, that's me work for what you say. But like you see. But like you see. If class at the church girl with my hungry, my class people too. When my hungry, my class people too. The lucky. But the right to send a blood clot. I'm a 150 rich and it now go back. Yeah. True. Lady, stop ignoring me, lady. Me not ignore you. Him need it. You miss out the S. Him need it. Me needs it. Needs. I don't want to sleep. Look how close me to my bed. You're going to see me there far. If not hungry, you hungry. And them want me send back money. True. How much food me go buy? And we architect. The architect about more want piggy bank for put this in. Don't think me watch me move up. Yeah. Everything me I wear go all about now. Yeah. Don't think me watch everything me move up out here. Everything. Until me I beg you asleep. Beg me asleep. What you mean by me can't use nails? What you mean by? I probably can't use them when I'm tired, but I can't use them now when I'm in the conditioner. That's what I'm sure about. Sure. The 105th lag from CJ for yesterday. I want to still come but the 105th lag again. Sure. I'm not carrying on, I'm not bringing no. Them know what them are do. Exactly. Them know what them are do, girl. Should me bait it up? I don't bait it up already and put it out to the public. Auntie every day did for post because it could have blow shouldn't fake. True. Shenseea not give them dollars, she gonna make them win. True. You would have win. Auntie, me still win. Them tell them to do it. I post them so we can say she post Jamaica about what happened to the rest of people them one on her own dance them. Sure me care about that. She just a use her dancer girl. Yes, man, yeah. $32,980 views already. Sure. Watch my views. I now buy the views, boy, your blood clot. Yeah. Everything come natural. I don't know if I buy views, I'm gonna buy followers. I don't know if I buy followers. I don't know if I do them something there. Me do the cheapest video because I want my money can share for me alone. Yeah. Then my sister me alone can take off my sister me alone can take on the road. When me I go with blood clot crowd, like me a destiny child. Like me a destiny blood clot child. Them not stop by the views, them. Who them not stop by the views, them. The people them see the people man are idiots. Yeah. The people them see the people them are idiots. The people them are open to the situation. The people them not sleep on the situation, the blood clot. True. Boys, Maddie care black she my head. Black who? Black who? Let me look where you for black. You see what she make sure tell Rebel if put Team Jamaica. Team Jamaica. Why she could have put Shen video there and post and just put the Jamaican flag there then? She tell Rebel if put Team Jamaica. Team Jamaica. For the people them see me, them not for know it's for me I come from a blood clot. Them know me born and grow. Me don't talk to you. True. After the Yankee never go put chain pan nails. True. So I'm gonna tell you a crafting. True. The crowd say. Them know them have the app. Them know the app them for buy the likes and the views them love. So Rebel video them can go up last. Yeah. Rebel video them can go up last. As it post them go on. Them gonna tell a girl. True. You know the vibes already, girl. True. If Rebel them not win, yeah, we know it go. And if them win, we know it go. Yeah. Them win and them not get the money. Yeah, kind of backdoor deal. I'm not cool like that. When our homebodies. Yeah. Yup. And if them win, me just gonna Yankee them DM the blood clot and explain the situation. Cause them don't forget to make it quicker than me. Me don't talk to you. Batman Black near that near alright, me look. Batman the girl. Girl. Me not tell her the girl. Conflict of interest smoke all over that video. Yeah, I get the girl in the water too. Yeah. I like the girl in the water. Yeah, I like the girl in the water. Yeah, I like the girl in the water. Girl. True. Shenseea them come up with a plan, the right the man in the blood clot as she go live so the people them under her skin in the blood clot. As she come out for the live, so she come in my DM. Me say as the woman come off at the live, so she come in my DM. Yeah. And the world a chant and the world a carry on and the world a go on bad. The world a go on bad because everybody say, yeah. So them think say this is the cover up. I don't talk to you. Smart cover up, but still a decision. I don't talk to you. Yes, it's true. I can't see a girl and cause problem. I not follow them and them unfollow argument in the blood clot. I should say fake my unfollow her. I should say fake me no wait. I just bust my unfollow. I'll put the light down. Laugh my ass or Urban them coulda make this video from before the song release. Girl, listen to me, girl. Must say, as you post the video, so I like the video. I repost it back on my story, ever see it. See it like she a wait for me. Let me go get something in my glass to wash down the smoke. To get water from the moon. Love me. How could I make you love me? They can't keep a good man down. The video bad. The video bad for true. Me not tell her the girl the video bad. The video bad. The video bad. Me like the video. Me like the video. The video bad.
Boy, Shen can't get a break. People, yesterday we said Bojo get back in visa, but it wasn't Bojo Bantan. My apologies. You see me, I said, because I only one bomber ass Bojo me know. You see me, but nevertheless, me don't want to long out that video no more, you know. Don't forget to call me on the Jay Capri. Lady on this profit business, you know. Don't forget to call me on the other things that we talk about too. You see me, I said, bless.